Welcome to DF Markets using the platform. DFTrader platform is a fully integrated trading dashboard which allows you to monitor, analyse the charts, execute trades and manage your positions while also staying on top of the latest market news and economic releases. Along the left-hand side of the charts you can see order tickets for currency pairs, along with 4 tabs on the toolbar at the top, allowing you to select from Forex indices and shares. You can also add any instrument to your watch list to create a portfolio of instruments to monitor. You can simply click on My Watch List, view these instruments as a list. The main area of the dashboard is the live interactive chart. You can change the way the price is displayed, change the time frame you want to view price on, turn on and off trading mode, which will open a price ticket on your chart for speed of execution. You can also add charts along the top so you can quickly move between different price charts. If you wish to analyse the charts more closely and apply technical studies, you can launch Advanced Chart. The toolbar along the top right of the chart allows you to switch between the trading terminal, trading activity, which gives a history of your orders, your account, which highlights the details of your account, such as deposit, margin, profit, withdrawals, etc. And finally, My Resources. The Resources tab opens up a page which has a host of resources for you to use, such as the economic calendar, which displays the latest economic data releases, and daily technical analysis, which gives you a professional market overview each day, including directional bias, as well as key support and resistance levels to watch. Along the bottom of the terminal, you can see 2 sections. The first section tracks open positions, telling you which instruments you're active in, as well as the amount you traded, your fill, take profit, stop loss, current market level, and profit and loss. On the right, you will see the executed orders, pending orders section. The executed orders section gives you a history of executed orders, orders which have been filled, while the pending orders section gives you an overview of any pending orders you have, orders which are active but not yet filled. In the very top right of the terminal, you will see the Reset Layout tab, which allows you to customize the layout of your terminal and move the various sections around to suit your preference. The Live Chat tab allows you to talk to one of our operators who are on hand to assist you with any issues or queries that you may have.